Okay, so in today's tech video, we are testing out the brand new GoPro, giving you guys some test footage of what it can do, and hopefully you guys can be a judge if this is the next camera that you want to buy, the next camera or action camera you want to get. So right now I have it just in the default settings as soon as you open it up out of the box. So it's in the 1080, I believe, HD. The stabilization is on, and we're just testing out the footage to see what it looks like. So comment down below. What do you guys think? Does it look good? Does it look bad? But let's go ahead and give you guys some really good test footage of what it's like just walking around and filming with it in the default GoPro settings.